Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will walk you through on how to enable dark mode in Notion, a quick guide. So let's get started. If you prefer a darker interface for a more comfortable viewing experience, here's how to enable dark mode in Notion. Start by clicking on Settings and Members located at the top of your left-hand sidebar. A new window will pop up. Inside its sidebar, find and click on the tab labeled My Settings. You will find a toggle switch that lets you switch between light and dark modes. Simply toggle the switch to dark position. You have successfully enabled dark mode in Notion for a more visually comfortable experience. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can customize your Notion's appearance to suit your preference. Enjoy working in your new dark mode environment. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.